In this video, we are going to look a little bit deeper into some of that vocabulary for algebraic expressions, and we're going to solve a couple, okay? Or I should say simplify, not solve. First of all, term. What is a term? Well, the term are the parts of the expression, and they're separated by addition, subtraction. So in this case, 7x is a term. Negative 9y, or the 9y, is a term. And the minus 3 on the end. Now, a coefficient is the numerical part of the term, okay? So a coefficient of 7x is 7. Coefficient of negative 9y is negative 9. The constant is different. The constant is that number on the end. It is just a number, okay? So the constant is the negative 3 on the end. If we have like terms are terms that are alike, like 7x and 3x. They both are x. If I had 6y and 7y, those would be like terms. Okay? They have to be the same. If I had 3x squared and negative 2x squared, those would be like terms. You can only add x's with x's, y's with y's, x squared with x squared, and so on. Factors are the parts of each term that you have to multiply. Now let's do some algebra here. We're going to simplify this algebraic expression. Remember the distributive property? We have to distribute here. So we're going to do 5 times 3x. That gives us 15x. 5 times negative 7. That gives us the negative 35. And then we bring down the negative 6x. Now, we cleared the parentheses there by distributing. Now we want to add like terms. So I have a 15x and a negative 6x. I can put those together, okay, and that gives me 9x. And then I bring down the negative 35 because I did not have any other whole numbers to add to that. Remember, whole numbers go with whole numbers. So once I get to 9x minus 35, I stop. Okay, I can't add x's with whole numbers. Let's look at another one. So on this one, I'm going to distribute here. So I'm going to do 6 times 2x squared. That gives me 12x squared. 6 times a positive 4x gives me 24x. Over here, 10 times 4x squared gives me 40x squared. 10 times 3x gives me 30x. So now I've cleared those and I am ready to add like terms. So let's see what we can combine here. I can put x squareds with x squareds. So 12 plus 40 is going to give me 52x squared. I can also, let's get a different color here, put the x's with x's. So a positive 24x and a positive 30x is going to give me a positive 54x. Now I am done. I cannot add square x's, the x squared, with a plain x. So I just leave it that way.